Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to restart Windows 10 computer using keyboard shortcut. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To restart Windows 10 computer using keyboard shortcut, press Windows key on your keyboard and press X. Now press U. Now press R to restart. This is the easiest way to restart Windows 10 computer using keyboard shortcut. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.